Now that scheduling is done, let's take a look at how your staff can clock in. We have 3 methods of clocking in, and for this example, I'll show you how your staff can clock in with the geofence and QR code method. Take a look. So this is what your staff will see. They will be able to see their shift, for which outlet and for what time. All they need to do is to press the check-in button. And tada! They have clocked in for their shift. What they can also see is their actual clock-in timing as well as their performance. So they are always late, let us be the policeman for you. What's more impactful is that they are also able to see their own timesheet records, so you can reduce end of the month discrepancies. What makes Staff Annie's clock-in so beneficial for your business is how we help you save labor costs. Firstly, we have a setting that prevents your staff from clocking early. This means you won't pay them for the extra time. Next, you can also automatically clock your staff out the moment their shift ends. This helps you stay on track within the budget that you have planned out for. Finally, our rounding setting helps to round the staff clocking timing to actual scheduled hours. So that means that if your shift is from 9 am to 5 pm and your staff come from 8:50 am to 5:10 pm and your staff leave at 5:10 pm, you're only going to pay them for their shift from 9 to 5 pm.